Welcome to this video. In this one, I am going to show you how to create a Helium wallet and update your iHUB account with your wallet address ready for withdrawal of your earnings. To do this, go to your mobile app and search for Helium hotspots. Download and install it. I have already installed mine and set it up. But when you open it, here is what's gonna happen. It will require you to either create a new account or restore your old account. Just like every other crypto wallet, you know how to set up, right? If you are creating it for the first time, choose to create a new account. It will show you your 12 recovery phrases. Write them down, place it where it is safe and no one will be able to find them, and set up your account. It will also demand you to set a login PIN. When you are in, you will see this kind of pop-up: add a hotspot, browse network. We will cover this info later. We just started this. We have reserved our hotspots. We are waiting for it to be shipped to us, delivered finally to us. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to copy your address, your Helium address. To do that, click here and you will see your address. Copy your address. Okay, when you have copied your address, head back to your Helium track.app. Sorry, not Helium track.app. This is Helium track.app is where you track your activities. Okay, go to your iHUB global account, your home page when you registered, right? So when you go there, click on this place, back office, or click here, commission. When you click on it, it's gonna bring you to your back office. They're gonna assign you a default password which you should change after you log in. Okay, and then you will see your username. Type in the password there to get into your account. I am in. So when you log in, click on commissions, click on my e-wallet. Next, paste the wallet here. Place your wallet here, right? And then click on this confirm these stuffs, save changes. Here you have the option of deciding if you want them to hold your HNT till it gets to a certain level before they send it to your wallet. Okay, but I didn't select this. I want my money to go to my wallet. So that's how to update your wallet as you wait. I noticed that some people will sign up and they don't reserve their hotspot immediately. Once you sign up, reserve your hotspot, okay, so that you will get it shipped to you early enough so that you start mining and making money. All right, and while you wait, you could also, extend this to other people. I'm gonna do a video on the compensation plan, what you stand to gain more if you try to occupy small places through the power of affiliates. I'm gonna do a video on this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.